So we are seeing a lot of launches, a lot of excitement around the entire show. We saw a lot of good launches from Maruti Suzuki launching their first EV in India, the e-Vitara. We also saw some good launches from Tata, the Avinya, a lot of hype on that vehicle as well. We also saw a lot of new vehicles, especially in the four-wheeler market, a lot of electric vehicles. There was a lot of importance on flex fuels, biofuels as well. So it's very exciting and very happy to be here. Yeah. At S&P Global Mobility, we are a group of dedicated analysts who are working towards providing the benchmark data, which serves our key stakeholders, OEMs, suppliers. So we really strive to give the insights to all the stakeholders involved, as well as the automotive industry. At this particular event, it was a lot of engagements from our end. He spoke to a lot of stakeholders as well as active people in the industry, where we provided our insights, our outlook, as well as providing the industry benchmarks and what the industry will look like in a few decades or a few years from now. The Indian auto industry is forecasted for a very good growth in the coming years. So we are going to be one of the largest markets for four-wheelers. We are already the largest market for two-wheelers, and that the growth is only going to grow up from here. So it's going to be an act of balance for India. The government is trying to bring in sustainability, circularity to make sure that this growth that is happening, it happens in a sustainable way. So for India, it's very important that we balance our growth along with doing it in a very sustainable and decarbonized way. And I think that's going to be the challenge for India. From S&P Global, we do see that in the future, the growth is going to rise as we just spoke. But there will also be a lot of influx of new fuel technologies, new powertrains, and electrification, of course. So it's going to be exciting times ahead for India, and it's going to be a real challenge to get it done in a sustainable way as well.